You can use a QuickBooks Time Kiosk to easily track time. This is like a digital punch clock, where you can track your start and stop times using a PIN code instead of a password. Let's go over how to sign into the kiosk using a 4-digit PIN. Clock in and out. Take a break or switch jobs, and submit time for approval. Note that if you need to edit your time, check your schedule, or request time off, you'll need to use the web dashboard or mobile app and not the kiosk. To get started, find and select your name in the team member list. If it's your first time using the time kiosk, create a 4-digit PIN that you'll use to sign in. Enter the PIN again to confirm it. To clock in with the kiosk, select your name again from the team member list. Enter your 4-digit PIN. If you forgot your PIN or you need to update it, reach out to your admin. They can change your PIN and provide you with the new number. Once you've signed into the kiosk, select a job, customer, or project and clock in. If your company doesn't use jobs or customers, simply select Clock In. If you need to switch from one job, customer, or project to another during your shift, sign into the kiosk again. You can seamlessly switch from one job to the next without clocking out. First, make sure to add any details or notes for the last job you worked on. When you're all done, select Switch and fill out the details for the next job you're working on. Then select Switch again to instantly clock out of the last job and into the next one. If you need to take a break, sign back into the kiosk. Select Take Breaks. If there are multiple options, select which type of break you're taking. When your break is over, select End Break. When you're ready to clock out for the day, sign into the kiosk and select Clock Out. If you need to submit your hours for approval, you can do that after clocking out. To submit your time later, sign into the kiosk and select Submit Time. Always make sure your hours are correct before you submit them. If you need to edit your time, you'll need to sign into the web dashboard or mobile app, or reach out to a manager. Once you submit your hours, you won't be able to edit them unless a manager rejects them. Select the days you need to submit for approval and select Submit. That's it. Now you're ready to track time with a QuickBooks Time Kiosk.